Hey sports fan, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you how to watch ESPN Plus on YouTube TV in 2025, whether you want exclusive sports, original shows or live events. This guide will help you to get set up step by step. YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service with many channels including ESPN. Here you can see this all the channels are given here, and ESPN Plus is a separate streaming service with exclusive content not always available on YouTube TV's ESPN channels. And here you can see this ESPN, ESPN2, ESPNs and so on. And in 2025 YouTube TV offers an ESPN Plus add-on to access this content seamlessly. Go to tv.youtube.com or open the YouTube TV apps, and if you don't have an account, sign up for a YouTube TV subscription and add ESPN Plus to your YouTube TV accounts. Once login, go to settings, membership and billing, and here you can see this signing options, and then look for the add-on sections and find ESPN Plus and click add or subscriptions. Confirm payment for the ESPN Plus add-on. Now there you can see this, the ESPN Plus is a separate subscription that is not offered by the YouTube TV. You will have to go directly to ESPN for that subscription or sign up for it's as bundle with Hulu and Disney Plus, and same as it is. And after adding ESPN Plus, go to the library or on demand section in your YouTube TV. Then you will find ESPN Plus shows, live events and original integration alongside your other channels. You can also search specifically for ESPN Plus content, and ESPN Plus content by YouTube TV is available on smart TVs, then mobile apps or Android and iOS, web browser and streaming device like Roku, Xbox, Fire Sticky, Apple TV. ESPN Plus content may require a separate login. In some cases, use your YouTube TV traditional. Some live sports events might only be on ESPN Plus and not on the regular ESPN channels. And that's how you watch ESPN Plus on YouTube TV in 2025. Hope you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channels.